Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hopefully you find the information valuable and we'll go ahead and get straight into it. This video is going to be about how to remove negative accounts from your credit report. Having negative accounts on your credit report can greatly impact your credit score and make it difficult to obtain credit in the future. However, by following these steps outlined, you can remove negative accounts and improve your credit score. So I have uh, uh, just a few tips or just a little bit of information on how you can start the process of removing negative accounts from your credit report. First step is obtaining your credit reports from all three credit reporting agencies: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. You're going to have to get used to their names and try to get as much information from them as you can. You can go into their personal websites or you can even give them a call and to get that information. You are entitled to one free credit report from each bureau annually. You can request your credit report from annualcreditreport.com. I'll leave the link in the description or the website and the information. You can obtain it in the description if you want to go to their website and check it out in case you do need to order a copy of your credit report that you're entitled to for free once per year. Excuse me. Understand the 609 credit law. The 609 credit law allows consumers to dispute any inaccurate or incomplete information on their credit reports. This includes negative accounts that are the result of identity theft, errors, or inaccurate information. So you want to make sure that your names are spelled correctly, your address is on the reports correctly. You want to make sure the times that the accounts are opened or if they were closed, the dates that they were closed. You want to make sure all of that information is accurate. You also want to make sure that each credit bureau has the same information of the accounts in question. All right. You're going to look for anything that is different or out of place. When reviewing your credit report, pay attention to any information that seems out of place, such as misspelling, wrong dates, or information that does not match up with the other credit bureaus. These are all potential red flags that may indicate errors on your credit report. And you're going to send your dispute application to all three credit bureaus. If you find any errors or discrepancies on your credit report, you must send the dispute application to all three credit bureaus. This process involves writing a letter detailing the errors and providing any supporting documentation. Each bureau has their own dispute process. Be sure to check out their website for specific instructions. You want to, I would recommend to have three separate folders, one folder for each bureau. So, whatever information you're going to send out or whatever information you're going to receive, you keep it separated by the bureau. Along with that, I would also say to, if you have to send out a dispute, make sure you send a dispute certified mail. The reason why is because you want to know when it is received, because the credit bureaus, according to the 6009 law, have a certain amount of time that they would have to respond. So you want to make sure you send certified mail so you get the receipt on the day that they respond. And you can keep that information for your records in case you have to send another letter. In some cases, you have to send a second letter, a third letter. Even in some cases, you may have to seek legal representation if you really believe the accounts should be removed. Now, follow up on your dispute. After sending a dispute application, follow up with the credit bureaus to ensure that the dispute is being processed and resolved. Sometimes they'll send something back saying that they seen some information or they received something that they believe may be fraudulent. And just make sure that when you send your letters, they are certified. And also, I forgot to mention, make sure that they are notarized. You want to notarize these letters to have strong proof that it is actually you. And maybe the letter that if they don't respond correctly, it could be a letter security procedure that they take. And it's good that they have that. But once you get that, You want to ensure them that it really is you, and you make sure everything is notarized, you make sure everything is signed, you make sure everything is sent certified mail, you want to be responded to in a timely manner, or they're going to have to remove their accounts after a certain amount of time. So this is just some brief information. If you want more detailed information and step-by-step guide, don't be afraid to leave a comment and ask me. That way I can go over the information again with more details, or even if you need a template of a dispute letter, I can also provide that information. So don't be afraid to leave a comment or reach out to me on the platform. I can provide that information. I do have uh, the dispute templates that I've used for each credit bureau. So you can go ahead and use that to make the reports as well, or just to get a general idea of what it looks like. So I hope the information was good. I hope that you find the content valuable. If you did like the content, be sure to like. If you think that it can be valuable to someone else, be sure to share it to whom you think it can be valuable to. And if you like the content on the channel, be sure to subscribe. Thank you, everybody. Have a good day.